Se on niinku yhden aurinkopuolesta.
What has disturbed my peace are the news almost every day. Also reading of social media, especially people behaving awfully bad with their own names and faces. It disturbs me to realize that some obviously really want to hurt other people or wish them bad.
When I was applying to universities in my 20s, I found myself at a crossroads. I had been accepted to 2 different places, but of course I could only choose one. My grandmother had her heart set on me going to Tampere University. For her, it carried a special meaning, almost like a dream she wanted me to fulfill. I still remember how seriously she spoke about it, as if that choice could shape not just my future, but something larger in our family's story. But in the end, I chose the other option. I wasn't completely sure, my decision felt rushed, the deadline was looming, and I had only about a week to decide. I just had to act even with uncertainty sitting heavily in my chest. Over the years, I've often returned to that moment in my thoughts. What if I had chosen Tampere University instead? How different would my life look now? It's one of those choices that lingers, not with regret exactly, but with a quiet curiosity about the path not taken.
I love my father so much, but I couldn't tell him this much. After he passed away, I have realized that I should have told him this more again and again.
And the doors are open, just go inside through the curtains. Are you looking at the piece machine? Yes, the computer is over here. There you have the piece where you can go inside there, and you can see how your movement and how connection with others affects what happens. So here you can see that the stream over here, it is AI visualized of how the thoughts about peace that people have shared with the peace machine, how it looks. And then it connects to this moment, and it has motion detectors, and maybe you saw that it creates a bubble for you when you come in front. Yeah. And then you can control it with your movement, it follows you and up and down. It follows your movement, and then when there are people together in front of the screen, and then people have connections with each other, then these find each other there as well, and then merge and then continue with the stream upwards. And this piece continues on the other side of that ceiling. But then when it finds other, then you can't control it anymore, they just like get together and then continue.
Mary, did you know that your baby boy will one day rule the nations? Did you know that your baby boy is heaven's perfect lamb? The sleeping child you're holding is the great I am.
Ketä nämä on? Jeesus, onkohan järkevää ottaa ventovieraita mukaan?
Tässä on Tuomas, kriittinen ajattelija.
No mä oon Iitami. Mä tanssin. Katsokaa nyt tätä! Ei me mahdeta mitään!
Koko maailma juoksee tuon villitsijän perässä.
Pitäisi saada se Lasarus äkkiä takaisin sinne hautaan.
Ja tämä profeetta perään.
Voi teitä, te lainoppineet ja fariseut.